You just dropped $1,500 on a new set of truck tires. But here's the problem. Poor tire maintenance is quietly destroying your suspension and wasting fuel every single mile. I'm Jeff with Speeding Tires, and today we're stopping the damage. These are the 5 silent killers that cost drivers hundreds of dollars every year, and most people have no idea they're doing it. Let's go. Number 1. The alignment trap. If you look at your tire and see feathering, smooth on one edge and sharp on the other, that usually points to a toe or overall alignment issue. That means the tire is being dragged slightly sideways as you drive. That constant side loading isn't just grinding off tread. Over time, it puts unnecessary stress on tie rods, ball joints, and control arms. Parts that were never designed for that kind of force. The fix. Get a professional 4-wheel alignment when you install new tires, after suspension work, or anytime you hit a major pothole. Even doing it once a year is cheap insurance compared to suspension repairs. Number 2. The unbalanced vibration tax. Silent killer number 2. Wheel imbalance. If your wheel is even slightly out of balance, that small imperfection turns into a constant high-frequency vibration at highway speeds, especially around 65 to 75 miles per hour. And where does that vibration go? Straight into your wheel bearings, suspension bushings, and shocks. Over time, it accelerates wear and shortens the life of parts that aren't cheap to replace. If you feel vibration in the steering wheel or the seat, don't ignore it. Get the wheels balanced before it turns into a much bigger bill. Number 3. Underinflation's double whammy. This one hurts your wallet twice. When your tires are underinflated by around 10 pounds per square inch, the contact patch increases, rolling resistance goes up, and fuel economy drops. At that point, you're basically driving with the parking brake partially on. But the real danger is heat. Low pressure causes excessive sidewall flex, which builds heat. And heat is what leads to premature tire failure and blowouts. Always use the recommended PSI on the door jamb sticker, not the maximum pressure printed on the tire sidewall. Check your tire pressure weekly. It literally pays for itself in fuel savings and safety. Quick check. How many of you actually check tire pressure every week? Be honest. If this video's already saved you money, tap the like button so more drivers stop destroying their tires without realizing it. All right, here's the suspension warning sign most people miss. Number 4. The shock's warning sign, tire cupping. If your tire has alternating high and low wear spots around the tread, this is called cupping or scalloping. And here's the key takeaway. Cupping isn't a tire problem, it's a suspension problem. Most commonly, worn shocks or struts. When shocks fail, the tire can't stay planted. It bings, loses contact, and literally hammers itself into the pavement. Severe imbalance or worn suspension parts can contribute, but failed shocks are usually the main cause. If you see cupping, replace the shocks now. Or better yet, consult a pro. Or your brand new tires will look exactly the same in 6 months. Number 5. The wrong load range tax. The final silent killer is running the wrong tire type for your vehicle. If your truck is designed for LT metric tires and you switch to a cheaper P metric tire, you're compromising stability and durability. P metric tires have more flexible sidewalls and lower load capacity compared to LT tires. Under the weight of a truck, especially when towing, that extra flex creates heat, sloppy handling, and a much higher risk of failure. This is a safety issue, not just a comfort issue. Not every truck requires LT tires, but you should always follow the tire type and load rating listed on your door sticker. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Tires don't usually fail because they're bad. They fail because something else on the vehicle is slowly killing them. And once you fix those basics, the tire itself actually starts to matter a lot more. That's why tire choice becomes the next mistake most drivers make, especially with all-terrain tires that promise good mileage but quietly cost you fuel. I break that down in the next video. It's on your screen now. I'll see you over there.